Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you need a receipt copy for your records or a customer maybe. You can easily do so, since you can print order receipts directly from your dashboard on Etsy by going through the Shop Manager again. It's always about Shop Manager. So how? You can do this from the app, from the website, depends on you. For me, I would say that the website works best in most cases. So I would advise you to just go open your desktop, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, then go to your favorite browser and look for Etsy.com. After this, we're gonna go ahead and open this website, then log in using your correct account, email address and password. After this, I'm gonna go through the shop manager, tap on orders and shipping, then open the order. Look for more actions, then select print receipt or print order. All you have to do now is download the PDF, then print or save for bookkeeping. I would advise you to actually print it. You can use basically a thermal printer if you own any, or you can use the usual ink one. It's good both ways. As for like a bonus tips, keep digital copies for any tax season. Then receipts show payment breakdown and any other fees. It's useful for wholesale or customer or basically custom orders. So if you are selling any custom orders, custom shirts, custom shoes, custom whatever, you may actually need that. And that's the whole idea. So as I always tell you, whenever you need something shop related, go through the shop manager and you will find it. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.